Hello guys, we're back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSC 2019. The given question is let the set of functional dependencies. So they give the functional dependencies hold on a relation X PQRS and X is not in BCNF. Okay, so they are clearly saying that it is not in BCNF. Okay, suppose X is decomposed into two schemas. Okay, so they are dividing this into two schemas, Y and Z. Okay, so Y is a P and R, Z is a QRS. Okay, so indirectly they are saying R is the common attribute in between them. Okay, so now they are saying consider two statements below. Both Y and Z are in BCNF, and option 2 says that decomposition of X into Y and Z is a dependency preserving and lossless conversion. Okay, so I think for this particular question we need to do some things, right? Yes. Okay, so here we divided the whole table into PR and QRS, right? So let us take the first statement, that is a QR implies yes, so that belongs to this part, right? Yes, and this statement belongs to P implies R, so it belongs to here. Sorry, R implies a P, it belongs to here, and this statement belongs to yes implies a Q, so that will come here. So I think this is 100% dependency preserving, right? Yes, and whenever I am talking with respect to R, so R is a prime attribute, right? So indirectly this is a key here. So indirectly I think this is a lossless also. So I am sure that option 2 is correct, guys. So I can eliminate option A and B from here, right? Yes. So when it comes to the first part, they are saying these are in BCNF. Okay. So the only question which I am having is if both of them are in BCNF, there is a small catch here, guys. So to be clear, this particular thing will be in BCNF, right? Because here we are having R, and R is a prime attribute, or you can say it is a key, right? Primary key indirectly for this table. Yes, yes. So it is already on the left hand side of the relation, and that is the only relation which is available. So I think we can conclude that the table 1, that is a nothing but X only, right? Yeah, sorry, Y is already in BCNF. Okay, but when it comes to this part, okay, so when it comes to the second part here, if I try to find the primary key, okay, so I think if we try to find the primary key, we can get QR as one key, because from QR I can get S, and the other key could be SR, right? SR will also be a key. Okay, so when it comes to this particular thing, I think here we are not getting the exact things, right? So S is not a primary key. So with that simple understanding, I think we can conclude that this is not in BCNF. So the first one is in BCNF, but the second one is not in BCNF. So hence this statement is wrong. So option D will be the correct answer. So only the second thing is correct. Got it? Yes. So it's a quite easy question, right? Yes. So now I hope everyone got a clear idea on this. Okay. And if you want to know on which thing it belongs to, so basically which NF it belongs to. So basically here, yes. What is yes, guys? It is nothing but a part of a key. And what is Q? It is also a part of key. So both of them are part of key. So it belongs to 1NF, 2NF. So it's 3NF. Got it? Yes. Okay. So but they are saying both of them are in BCNF. So that's the reason why that option is wrong. Got it? Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this question. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Okay? Yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.